What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. And we're back here, y'all, with another mukbang. But you know, before we get anything going, let's go and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And maybe go tap the like button because I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this one. So yeah, let y'all do that. Get y'all going on subscribing and whatnot. And then we're gonna get to business because I'm freaking hungry. Forgot a fork, so we're using chopsticks on something. All right, y'all. Today we are eating Domino's pizza. Yes. I don't know how I'm gonna get this all situated in my car, but we're gonna figure it out. Oh my God, we got this bread. Maybe a thumbnail with the box. Okay, quick thumbnail. Okay, let's see if we can get this bread in too. Maybe. Hopefully it doesn't slip down. Yeah, we'll just do that. That's the thumbnail. Okay, so we got Domino's pizza. First of all, before we get anything going, I need to learn how to talk properly. I put a poll on my Instagram, so you can go follow my Instagram at Quieres Comer. Everything will be down in the description box below. I put the poll and I was deciding on either Domino's pizza or a mixture of Chick-fil-A and In-N-Out. And everyone voted Domino's pizza. So we got Domino's. So if you want to, have some say in what I'm eating, go to my Instagram. Go check that out. And also, TikTok. Your girl, I'm almost at 20K on TikTok. So go follow my TikTok too. It's at Quieres Comer as well. And all that will be down below in the description box. Okay, so we're already at almost 3 minutes. And we haven't started eating yet. So let's get going. We got a medium pizza. We have cheesy bread, spinach and feta cheesy bread, and then I got some pasta. I wanted to get chicken wings, but for some reason my app was every time I hit the chicken menu, nothing would pop up. So I'm like, pasta's good. And I gotta kind of hurry up too because my sisters, she knows that I do this mukbang stuff, and her friend are at my house. They're just kind of waiting until I finish the video so I can give them the rest of the food. Because your girl ain't eating all this shit. No. We're trying to lose weight in 2021, not gain it. So, all right, let's start with some pizza because your girl's hungry. This might be a good thumbnail. Oh, I like that one. Okay. Pizza, jalapenos, and fucking green bell peppers. I'm trying not to cuss in my videos because your girl wants to get monetized. Okay. And I don't like editing my videos, but I might edit this one because your girl just got a MacBook. So actually, I might edit this video. I might take that out because I just cussed earlier. If I end up taking that F word out, the reason being is because I cussed earlier, so I'm trying to keep my stuff not cussing. Okay. Let's freaking go in. Oh, baby. Oh, they should have cut this a little better. Darn it. It's okay. Oh my gosh. That's so good. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is a sign. Go pick up some Domino's pizza. Oh, they have the best crust too. A lot going on right now. Oh no, fly! Ah! Oh, they did give me a fork. I'm so happy. This is how it comes. My pasta. There's a fork in there. Yes. Learned this from Lucky Braxton. Shout out Lucky Braxton. Boom, you take this thing off, and then you could put it back on there just as easy as it came off, and then you just close it hella easy. Oh. If you didn't know Pizza Hut, if you didn't know Domino's has pasta, y'all. Check that out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, so good. All right, I gotta save some for my sister and her friend, so. And I still have cheesy bread. Oh my God, it's so good. This was my sister's pick. So I was like, what do you want me to eat? Like, what do you, since she's getting the leftovers. I'm like, what do you feel like? What kind of pasta? I usually get the veggie one. But she's like, get the chicken Alfredo. And I've never had this one before. So thank you, sister. You made a good choice. Because that is effing delicioso. All right. Cheesy bread, y'all. And I just want to say thank you, everyone, for still, jumping and jiving, rocking and rolling with me. I know I forgot to make a video last week, and we'll get into why. Because your girl is a little bit tickled pink about that whole situation. Ooh, let's get the tray. Get ashtray. Remember, I got this stuff from Daiso. The little stand. All right. Yes. Got some garlic sauce right here, boy. My boy. Oh God, it's just squirting on my face. That's what he said. I wonder if I'll get in trouble for that. Okay, hope not. So, your girl, remember, if y'all been jumping and jiving with me, you know that I started dating. The guy who I was talking about in the last video, he's not really ready for a relationship, so I respect that. I was like, there was this guy on TikTok who I was following, and he lives nearby. So your girl was like, let's make TikTok videos together. So he's like, bet. So I drove like the hour to go kick it with him. And all right, the first night that I did kick it with him, your girl was drunk. So whatever, it is what it is. And then when we ended up kicking it for the second time, he wanted me to stay for 4 days. So I did. I stayed for 4 days, kicked it with him. It was cool. I'm gonna try to go in without actually going in on this person, because he really like upset me. So pretty much like I spent 4 days with someone. He's like, I like you. And he, you know, introduced me to his kid, his parents, all that. I come back home, and I understand people have lives, and you know, you work, whatever. But for 2 days after I come back home, I don't hear nothing from him. And I'm like, okay, that's weird. And then I message him like, because I don't want to be like, oh, texting someone over and over again and be all clingy, give off clingy vibes. But like, I didn't hit up this person not once in the 2 days. And so finally I was just like, hey, I hope all is well. And then he was just like, I don't even know. I don't even remember how the freaking messages went down. But pretty much I'm like, look, I don't like that, you know, like I didn't tell him anything about it, but for me, it's like, we kick it for 4 days and the vibe is hella cool. I had there was like pros and cons of a person, right? I had a cons list, I had a pros list. There were a lot of cons in this person, but like the pros really did outweigh the cons. And I was like trying to look past that, because your girl is kind of like shallow. And one of the reasons is he was shorter than me. Excuse me. And I don't want a short guy. I want a tall guy. Like I want someone. Slow pull. Oh, yeah, baby. I want a tall guy. And so that was like a, you know, but that's like my ego. So I don't want to like act in my ego. I want to be like loving and kind and stuff like that. So I was like, whatever. Like, he's shorter than me, but he's a good guy. You know, he's freaking awesome. But if I go gigging with you for 4 freaking days, and then you act like I'm not even a person in your life, or I'm not even anything, that's a big no-no to me. So I ended up like blocking him. I told him off because my feelings were hurt, and I blocked him. And then I blocked him off TikTok, and I don't think I blocked him on Instagram. But yeah, I was just like, usually old me would just deal with this relationship and just like, you deal with someone that I don't really enjoy being around anymore because my codependency. And I'm not that person anymore. So I move on. Let go and let God. Because I know my soulmate, and I don't know if, like, I don't even know if I believe in soulmates anymore. But the person that I want their energy, and the person I want to give my energy to is out there. I just got to do me right now. So that's why I didn't do a video last week, because I was in his area, at this dude's area, hanging out with him. And that's another red flag. I stopped doing things that I like to do. I didn't make my video for y'all because I was hanging out with the guy. Ew. That's ugly. So, I'm not gonna mess with coffee anymore. I brought this soda water. So So yeah, but since then, like, I've been like waking up every morning. I've been trying to intermittent fast, or not trying, I am intermittent fasting. So I don't eat until 12 and I eat up until 8 o'clock. And then I just drink water, soda water, you know, hours like in the morning when I wake up. I had my first cup of coffee at 12. And let's have some more pizza. I want the pizza more than anything. This girl loves making messes in her car, so I hope I don't spill this garlic all over the place. That would be horrible. So yeah, so I just been trying to do like good things in my life. Oh, another thing happened. So if you guys follow me on TikTok, you'll know that I posted this video about Grubhub and like me being a brat about tips. So this video actually made me hit over 10K. And I remember before I hit 10K, I was like, please, God, universe, spirit, guide, and whatever, like, please let me get to 10K so I can start like hopefully looking for sponsors and like taking a little, I don't know why 10K was a number for me, but it was. And I think that's when you can actually start monetizing after your videos. You can apply to be a creator in the creator fund of TikTok. So I was like, oh my God, I want 10K. And so then I ended up making this video about me being a brat and just like complaining that like I got a $0 tip, and the video went viral. Got 100,000 views or something on it. And then I get a message from Grubhub. The next morning I'm supposed to work. I log into the Grubhub account and it's disabled. Yeah. And what's funny is like, there was hella people in the comments. They were all like, I'm reporting you to Grubhub. There's one particular person saying, I'm emailing Grubhub right now, reporting your account. I've sent them this video and all of your information. Yo, people were that fucking pressed about my video. They got me fired. And that's fine. I'm not going to blame others because I put it out there. It was my fault for putting the Grubhub bags, you know, the logo in the video. But I stand by it. Tip your drivers. Tip your wait staff. Tip your hairstylist. Tip your barber. Tip people. We are doing a service to you. Tip them. But yeah, so I got disabled. I no longer can work for Grubhub or like partner with them because technically I'm not an employee. I'm an independent contractor. So this is so good. So yeah, I'm no longer working for them, but I'm like debating if I want to go work for different delivery companies because I'm kind of like happy with where I am right now, like making TikTok videos and doing my YouTube and taking pictures on my Instagram. Actually, since I've been disabled from Grubhub, I put less miles on my car, been less anxious. I'm actually creating more content. There's another one. Oh, and my eating is better because like it was so weird. I would have to like eat out all the time. So at least now that I'm not working for them, I'm eating at home. I'm eating healthier. So there's a lot of benefits that came from me not working for Grubhub anymore. So my hands are so dirty. I don't have napkins. But all in all, you know, man, it's been pretty good. Life's been pretty good. So I'm gonna end it with that, y'all. It's already 20 minutes hitting with this video. I'm gonna end it with that. I'm gonna be back here on Friday. I'm not gonna miss this. I'm not gonna miss y'all next Friday. I'm sorry I did that last Friday. My apologies. I'll make it up to you. So if you guys do want to engage with me more and try to figure out, you know, help your girl out what to eat for my mukbangs, go to my Instagram. I put a poll on there. Oh, also, Mondays, every Monday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Timing. Mondays, every Monday, I will be going live on TikTok. So please go support your girl on TikTok. Come and eat with me. 7 p.m. Mondays, Pacific Standard. I live in California, so try to figure out what time, you know, your time zone and whatnot. Yes, that's a new thing we're doing. So come and eat with me Monday, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard. And then I'll see y'all back here on Friday. Thank you so much for jumping and driving, for eating with me and everything. I love you all so much. I know sometimes your girl can't speak properly, but you know what? It is what it is. And we move on. So I need to wash off my hands. I wonder if I got stuff in my teeth. No, we're good. I love you. I'll see you next Friday. Have a great weekend. And next week, have a great week. And we'll be back here next Friday.